Finding a capable and intelligent robot vacuum cleaner that does a good job is pretty hard to find, maybe impossible, if you don't count the Roborock S5. You may not have heard of the Chinese brand name, but it's not a brand to be overlooked. An interesting sign is the investment by Xiaomi in the Roborock. The quality of the Roborock S5 really speaks for itself. It's a very capable product with a very affordable price, doing better cleaning than most of its expensive counterparts. It certainly looks like every other robotic vacuum cleaner. With its shiny, glossy finish, it gives a pretty mediocre first impression, and the charging dock, main cleaning brush and side brush, multiple sensors and bump rail. But this is also a mopping bot. It can also be a smartphone app controlled. It's a very intelligent mapping system providing a lot of detail. There's a brush located under the top cover with a sharp blade with it, which can be used to easily cut hair from the main brush if needed. The filters of the bot are washable and easily accessible. It's particularly easy to keep the robot in 100% functional state to make it even more efficient. Via the My Home app in your smartphone, you can change the way the robot cleans depending on your needs. Cleaning modes include Quiet, Balanced, Turbo and Max. You can remote control the bot, and you can set in automatic scheduled cleans to set on a daily basis or whenever you want them. You can even set suction power for each of your scheduled cleans and set spot cleaning mode as well. The Roborock S5 uses an intelligent mapping system with SLAM algorithms. It can easily detect obstacles with its laser detection, and it won't get stuck. Surprisingly, it does an amazing cleaning job, which isn't expected from its price range, and it does so on carpet and hard floors. The mopping ability of the Roborock S5 is rather impressive, and it's fairly easy to use. It's not the best, but we were surprised that it was even included. It's a simple truth that the Roborock S5 competes head-to-head, sometimes even does a better job than bots that cost twice the price. It's not a buggy, but it does everything smoothly and docks gracefully.